Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm reviewing this phone travel stand made by a company called MiiKare, the Sky Grip Travel Series. Basically it's made to clip on to that little tray in front of you on airplanes. Comes with a warranty, not sure you really need it. Again, this Chinese company that sells it on Amazon. I'll put a link down below where you guys can buy this if you're interested. Let's see what kind of quality we're getting here. Comes fairly nicely packaged. So right off the bat here, looks kind of cool. Let's kind of see how this thing works. All right. So it looks like you can clip it. This would be the part you clip to the tray, the seat tray in front of you. And then I'm guessing you put your phone kind of in this front part. Got a phone here. Let's see if it fits or how easily. Okay, not bad. And then you just kind of clip it to the tray in front of you. Fit by using this thing. Then you got a phone you can watch and it doesn't flap around. Let's kind of see how they envision it being used. Okay, so you can. This sounds like you can also kind of clip it on the side of the tray if you want to do that. So there's like a side clip option. So it's kind of cool how it does swivel like that. Theoretically go kind of above it. That might be the most stable because then it sort of can fall backwards onto the tray if you're hitting a lot of turbulence, and you can pivot it back like that. So overall, yeah, this is pretty high quality. I'm using it for the first time, was able to figure it out fairly easily. And then kind of this hinge here looks reasonable. There's another hinge right there that swivels on. It's got kind of a grippy backing here to help keep it, and on the inside as well to help it kind of keep it from slipping. Again, the phone doesn't want to come out. So let me grab it. So yeah, I think it's passing all the initial tests. Let's see if I can fold it up the way it came. And then nice and compact, throw it in your travel bag that you would take on the airplane. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this. This was a good buy. Again, made by a company called MiiKare. I'll put their Amazon link down below if you guys want to check it out, if you guys want to buy one. It does come with some directions here on the back that I didn't look at, but was able to get it figured out anyway. Looks like they have multiple colors you can get it in. I've got the black one. So that's also kind of cool. But again, guys, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave it a like. Subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Got any questions, put them in the comments below. And I'll catch you all next time.